Hey guys, this is Gunzy23 and today, basically I'll be showing you how to make a BB texter. Now I know this sounds weird. Who would want a texter? BB? That's stupid. Well, it's not. It actually really hurts. I'm going to be showing you how to make it. Here's the materials you need. You need one of these pens, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows what these are. One of them. Sometimes you make guns out of them in class. Well, you'll need, I got 1 and 2 mil little BBs, metal BBs. They're good. That's way too small. I haven't actually got any BBs at the moment, but I'm getting some. And oh, I just cut my thumb off. Lol. You need a knife, some sticky tape, can't forget this, a balloon. Now, as soon as a balloon comes into it, you know what I'm doing. Alright, so what you gotta do, step one, you gotta get this pen, take that off, and then you've got to cut it to about there. So that's how much is left. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it. And this is gonna go through the ink thingy. Actually, you might want to take that off first. Tastes beautiful. Come on. I'm just gonna snap it. I just snapped it. Oh my god, you're joking. Alright. Once you've snapped it, you got this bit, which is the bit that you throw away. And you've got this bit, the ink thing. Throw that away too. And some people might want to like rinse it out. You don't need this, but I'm just gonna clean up the edges a little by snipping it off, snipping all the hard shit. Simple, really. That's what this video is gonna be called. Simple. Alright, now you've got that all hollow. Ready? You can see my eye. Now, get your balloon. You wanna get that condom, put it on. Get the balloon, and then put it over the opposite edge, so the edge that you didn't cut. This is like my 5th video today. Shit. I need to take a break. And for all of you guys, that why don't you just get a BB gun? Well, I actually can't. I live in Adelaide, SA, and in Australia, you're not allowed to have BB guns. Big no-no. So, and then just go like that. Just like that, all rolled on. There's the edge of it. So there. So you need that much space. Then sticky tape. Get sticky tape and roll it as hard as you can over it. As hard as you can. It's tight. Because you're not going to want this to slip off, trust me. If this slips off, 1, you're going to hurt your thumb, or your hand, and 2, your BB gun texter isn't going to like it. Make sure it's on properly. all very tight. Do this about 3 times. Go like that. And if you can hear the yelling in the background, I'm very sorry. Stupid sister's making mess, whatever she's doing. So yeah, there's your final product. Pretty good. Just like that. I am not responsible for whatever you do and whatever trouble you cause. Sorry. So, let's put it to the test. I've got a 2mm BB gun thingy. It's actually from one of my previous videos, you'll see. I'm not sure if I should. I'll do it, see if you can see it. No, but you can probably hear it. Very, very dangerous and very, very funny. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.